Hello, this is at TeachSmith, and today I wanted to talk you through an approach to AQA English Language Paper 1 Section B, that is the creative writing, either narrative or descriptive writing. However, this approach will, I suppose, link more to the narrative. I also wanted to give a quick thank you to all that support you've been giving me recently, all the subscribers and the likes, etc. Thank you so much. So a top tip, even though this video is about creative writing, this approach can help with Language Paper 1, Question 3, the structure question. I will explain how this question or this approach will help with structure as well as creative writing. Top tip 2, this video can help with revising one of the Power and Conflict poems. Hopefully it will become clear which one it is. Unfortunately, a little bit of a clue maybe, I haven't done a revision wrap for this. I will link to Spitting Ink, a fantastic English teacher who also does revision wraps. Honestly, he's been doing it longer than me, he is a bit better than me as well. So, how do I approach creative writing? Well, firstly, how much reading are you doing? Okay, good reading, good passages of reading, good passages of novels will help you improve your vocabulary, your understanding of sentence structure, etc. That's also what the extract is there for in section A. Secondly, listen to your classroom teacher. This is a supplementary video. Okay, this is supposed to supplement what you learn in class. Thirdly, planning. A clear plan will help you so much. And this is where the ideas for question 3 in section A will help you. Because we're going to talk about having a focus, then shifting the focus, then changing the perspective or developing something, and then finally referring back. These are terms that can be used for question 3, and these are ideas that will help you with question 5. So, this is an excellent image I found some time ago. 45 minutes, always writing full sentences. So how would I approach creating a piece of writing based on this image? So you've got describe a war zone as suggested by this picture, or write a story with the title conflict. Now, it doesn't really matter which task you choose or if both tasks are kind of mixed together. It really does not matter. So, another strategy that is really useful is called boxing up, and you can do this on your exam paper. There's no rule that says that you can't, and it can be really useful. So break the image up into different sections. So what's your focus going to be in paragraph 1? So for this case I've chosen the photographer. Then where do I shift to? In this case I shift focus to the man, then I flip it and change it. There is a boy in the background crying out, or you can talk about another photographer in the foreground. Then 4, refer back somehow. How can you refer back to what has happened in paragraph 1? Because as you'll notice, in a lot of the extracts, the action is cyclical. What do I mean by cyclical? There is a reference back to the beginning made at the end. So focus on the photographer in front of the man with the gun. What is he feeling? Describe him. Shift that focus into the mind of the man with the gun. What is he feeling? Why is he fighting? Describe what the man looks like. Describe his pose. Change or develop to either the boy or the ground, or the other photographers, or both. Describe them and their emotions, and then refer back. What is happening around them? What does the boy in the ground or the other photographers think about the first photographer or the man fighting? So a recap then. So remember, focused, shift, change, refer back. I hope that this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a like and a subscribe. Please have a look at my other videos. This has been TeachSmith. Thank you very much for watching.